crazy. Look at the freaking spurs on that thing.
Yeah.
Look at that. Body smack.
Alright, so we just got out and back to camp after TJ just shot that gobbler. And we just got word that there's another one up here, so we're after him. And we're gonna see if we can get close to him and get him.
Turkeys like to roost.
What are you guys gonna do?
What's going on? Yeah. Might as well. Well, we kind of have to actually, because if we're gonna stay on the posters, we're gonna go low.
Yeah, we can cross here and take that road and just dump with it right down the pipeline and go straight up the whole lot. Dump it.
Is that rain or
No, you hear me call? My thing we just dive down and they come up that natural way.
Come off the hump of the pipeline.
See him to his left.
To your left, Zane.
Don't move.
Don't move. Will he be shooting at Brett?
No. Or they're coming to his right, I mean.
Brett, to your right, Zane. To your right.
Don't move.
You see him? Tell him. Let him get close, Zane.
Zane, let him get close.
them get close, buddy.
They're going way to his right.
They're going to your right. Does he see him? He almost hasn't seen him.
He knows they're there. He can't move.
Were they that close?
One of them's on the road, one of them's closer than that. That one on the road's gonna get shot if it keeps coming straight. I hope he doesn't move. They're working way to the right, Pap. Do you see them?
I can't see him. Oh, I see him. They're to the right of you, Zane. One's right, way to your right. To your right.
Don't move.
He has to move.
No, he doesn't.
He should have been moving to the right.
Pap, do not move.
They can't see me, buddy. They see him. Oh. They see him.
I don't know.
Can you see the turkey?
Yeah, they're in the woods almost.
Then they didn't see him. Oh, no. Shoot him.
He got him. Pop, shoot the other one.
Can't shoot him. He would have. I could have gone.
He doesn't have any spurs to spur me,
It'll
buddy.
still hurt.
Let's freaking go, dude.
Let's go, buddy.
I just smoked the gobbler.
Good job, buddy.
Dude, I just shot a turkey. Let's go.
Explain to him what happened, how we were just sitting here and they came up through the field and everything.
Alright, so we were sitting here and I crawled up to this tree and the gobblers slowly worked their way up through the field and I couldn't shoot them in the field because of the brush pile, but they got right in here in this open wood, like in this open area, and I could shoot them.
Zane was over there where Kurt is right now. He's flopping a lot.
He wasn't flopping at all.
Yeah, when
I
you
got
shot him, he didn't move very much.
He just fell. He plucked a couple wings out of himself flopping like that.
Alright, we're gonna bring him over here.
to your left.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. On the next video we have coming up, I'm hunting with my buddy Trey on his first ever turkey hunt. That was an absolute blast. We had a pile of fun with that. If you can, could you please drop in the comments what you guys would like to see more of from us? If you could do that, that would be a big help to us. So, thank you. We're signing off for now. Make sure you watch the next video. It's great.